I've been living with a shadow overhead. I've been sleeping with a cloud above my bed. I've been lonely for so long. Trapped in the past, I just can't seem to move on. I've been hiding all my hopes and dreams away, just in case I ever need them again someday. I've been setting aside time to clear a little space at the corners of my mind. All I wanna do is find a way back into love. I can make it through without a way back into love. Ah, I've been watching but the stars refuse to shine. I've been searching but I just don't see the sign. I know that it's out there. There got to be something for my soul somewhere. I've been looking for someone to shed some light, not somebody just to get me through a night. I could use some direction when I'm open for your suggestions. All I wanna do is find a way back into love. I can make it through without a way back into love. And if I open my heart to you, I guess I'm hoping you'll be there for me in the end. There are moments when I don't know if it's real. Everybody feels the way I feel. I need inspiration, not just another negotiation. All I wanna do is find a way back into love. I can make it through without a way back into love. Ah, and if I open my heart to you, I'm hoping you show me what to do. And if you help me to start again, you know that I'll be there for you